This video walks you through how to create a department in Gusto. Begin by logging into your Gusto account, enter your account credentials on the sign-in page, then continue to your dashboard. Once you are signed in, give the page a moment to finish loading if needed so all navigation options are visible before you move on. From there, look to the left sidebar and select People. This opens the area where employee-related settings and organization options are managed. When the People page loads, stay on that screen and move your attention to the upper right corner. You will see a More option there. Click More to open the drop-down menu attached to it. In that drop-down, select Departments. This takes you to the section where departments are listed and managed inside Gusto. If you already have departments set up, you may see them displayed here. If not, the page will still give you the option to create a new one. Next, click Add Department. This opens the form used to create a new department entry. On the form, find the Name field. This is where you will enter the department name exactly as you want it to appear in Gusto. Type the name into that field and check the spelling before saving, since this name will be used as the department label in your account. After the name is entered, click Save. Gusto will create the department and add it to your departments list. If the page refreshes or updates, wait briefly while the change is applied. Once the save is complete, the new department should appear in the list of departments available in your account. If you are working in an account with multiple setup areas, stay focused on the Departments section while saving so you do not navigate away before the change is recorded. The key action here is entering the correct department name and then confirming it with Save from the department form. The full process is to sign in, open People from the left sidebar, choose More on the People page, select Departments from the drop-down, click Add Department, enter the name, and save the new entry. Each part happens within the Gusto interface, and the department is created directly from the Departments section without needing any additional setup in this flow. If the page takes a moment to respond after you click Save, allow it to finish before selecting anything else. That helps confirm the department has been added properly and appears where expected in the list. Your new department is now created in Gusto.